Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have my road bike right here, and you can see it doesn't have any power on the air because it got a flat tire. What I have here is a bicycle tube, and so it's got pretty simple installation steps. Basically take off the tire, the tube, and to do that I had used the Schrader valves, or not the Schrader valves, the Presto valves, so that's what hopefully this one has in it. Let's check it out. It should be a 2-tube set, and it is. Oh, it even comes with the tire little pieces here. So this here is good for, you put that into the, let me see, can you see it up here? Yeah. So we can jam it under the tire there, and then you can be able to clip it on so it keeps the tire pulled out so it won't get pulled back in there again. And then we have 2 tires here, 1, 2, and they have my Presta valves. These stems are hugely long, so these ones here are slightly shorter, so that's kind of cool. Even comes with a little cap on it and the little bead, so it got everything it needs for my, what is it, 700 something bike. So that's what this is for this one here. So I'm gonna go put it on, and thumbs up. This is a nice tube, nice strong thick tube. I was using some of those really super thin extra light ones. This one here is pretty light, but holy mackerel, those go through so fast. This is great though, totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure. And there we go, up to 90 pounds of PSI. I'm ready to go. Thumbs up.